Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. Once we have our Zerks installed on our little epoxy project, those cure, then we come back and we put another sealant over the top of this. I want to use a rapid set, hard curing. We're just going to work this on. This is just going to make sure that if there were any imperfections in the epoxy port, or if there were any air bubbles when we fix that to the wall, this is going to ensure that none of the epoxy runs out. Okay, we're going to do that to all of our ports. You can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and you can follow this project and close to 2,000 other ones. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.